In this video, we're going to be creating our first TripleStream home automation device. The first step in doing this is getting Eclipse installed. You can get Eclipse for free at www.eclipse.org. Eclipse is a programming environment, but there's no programming necessary in TripleStream itself. Any version of Eclipse will do. We're going to use the Eclipse standard version and download it from Georgia Tech Software Library. We're not going to download the entire thing because that would take quite a while, and we're going to go to where it is on my hard drive. I've already pre-downloaded it, and now what we're going to do is just extract it to any location on your hard drive that you'd like to put it. In my case, I'm going to be putting it directly on C:. Open up the zip that you downloaded, drag the Eclipse onto C:, or wherever you'd like, then open it up. After you've unzipped it, drag an icon onto the desktop if you'd like, and then run it. Well, I'm going to create a brand new workspace so that you guys can see what a new workspace looks like. It will come up with a welcome screen that I'm not too excited about, so we'll close that down. Here's that welcome screen that we're going to close. And then we're going to install the actual TripleStream software itself. It's offered as a plug-in to the Eclipse environment. There is no programming necessary. This is Eclipse and it's designed for programming, but there is no programming necessary to create your home automation devices. You can get this from TripleStream DAC at appspot.com. You'll notice that I've already downloaded this plugin, so it's not available for me to install. You'll see on this next page. The operation cannot be completed, but really it's because it's already installed. We're going to cancel this, but when that happens, for you, you'll be asked to accept a license agreement, accept trust unsigned content, and then restart Eclipse. Once you restart Eclipse, you'll be back to this screen. You'll right-click New Project, and then create your own project. It doesn't have to be what we're choosing. We're going to choose just a general project. A Java project will do, a C++ project will do if you'd like. But we're just going to create a generic one and call it My Home Automation Project. Now we're going to right-click and hit New DAC Device. Provide a name for that DAC device. This is going to be just random data. And we're going to graph it. Hit Next. Lots of options are available to us here. We're just going to use a regular test device that creates random data. As you can see, there's Raspberry Pi, LabJacks, Arduinos, lots of things available. We're going to have it create 3 channels, three random data channels every 1/2 of a second. Just expand your home automation project so that you can see the random data graph device, and then you can actually configure it. I'm customizing my settings a little bit here so that Eclipse looks a little nicer for everyone. And I clicked on the channel descriptions. As you can see, there's lots of options again here. We're going to create a new device channel. We're going to name it Living Room Temperature, and we're going to create 2 more corresponding to the 3 analog channels that we created in our device setup. Of course, this isn't really the living room temperature, the outside temperature, but these are just random. This is random data. It'd be much more interesting if we were using a real device, but in this case we're just using random data. Now we're going to go to actions. As you can see here, there's lots of things that we can be doing, but we're going to choose chart. Just chart the data on a graph. Very simple. In this, we could have also put conditions and emails or texts. We could text in different conditions and do lots of different things, but we're just really adding 3 of these random data channels to our graph. Save it, right click on the device and start device, and as you can see, we're charting those random temperatures now. Again, these aren't living room, kitchen, and outside. They're just random data because that's the device that we chose. You can right click and close device, and that's basically the end of this. There's one more thing I'd like to show you, and we can actually for debugging purposes, it's kind of nice to see what's going on. So we're going to go to Windows Preferences. Sorry, Windows Show View, Other, and then type in error at the top, and what that's going to do is show us an error log view. In this error log view, you can see different things that have happened during the time that we were using it. In the case that something isn't working properly, there, and do some extended diagnostics. Thanks for watching.